to Big Mouth Academy,
where learning is big fun.
Class is now in session.
One of these surprises is not like the other. 1, 2, 3, and 4. One of these surprises is not like the other. So, which is different? That one! Oh yeah! Well, they're all Spider-Man eggs, but that one's different. Let's see what's inside. Oh, you guessed it! Spider-Man! Spidey, shake, shake, shake! Marvel Spider-Man! Here's the star of the show! Pop! Marvel Ultimate Spider-Man! Shake, shake, shake! Spidey pop! Oh, Spider-Man jelly beans! Great job!
School's out.
A+ good time! Learning is big fun! So click here for some more colorful learning adventures. Or click here for the fun lessons we love best. Click here and subscribe to join Big Mouth Academy.